back to our YouTube channel. I am Connie and Mary's not here right now. I'm doing a video on my own today, so I know I'm probably missing her, but I'm here, so it's okay. So welcome to our YouTube channel. If you don't know, we are twins. This is our YouTube channel. It's Connie and Mary. I'm Connie. Nice to meet you all. If you don't know us, if you are a new subscriber and you're just clicking on this video, we have an obsession over makeup and we love to share it with everyone else, and we love to share a little bit part of our lives in our vlogs and show a little bit of personalities. We do challenges, we do vlogs, we do makeup tutorials, we do how-to videos, and yeah, so if you are new, make sure you follow us on our social media. I'm going to put our social media here, or probably put it down in the description box below. So yeah, so today's video is a how to apply false eyelashes, fake eyelashes, however you want to call it. See, I already have them applied. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and yeah, so if you want to know how I apply fake lashes, then just keep on watching. So let's begin. So I obviously have no lashes on, no mascara, just everything else but the favorite part, the lashes. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to start. I'm happy to say that I'm going to be using these lashes for this how-to video, and these are the Baddie B lashes by Jenny69. I love her so much, and she just came up with the best lashes. I literally just got them today. I'm so excited about them, and they're so cute. I got the style Baddie. You guys can see Baddie, and they're so cute. Let me show you guys how they look like. They're pretty dramatic. I just wanted to test them out and see if I like them, so I just went ahead and got just one pair, but I'm definitely gonna get all of them. They look amazing, and I love how it has like the little magnet, like if you let it go, just kind of like scoots back. I don't know, super cute. You guys should know that I am obsessed with dramatic lashes. That's kind of my thing. I don't really go with small lashes. It's rare if I do. I'm babbling way too much, so let's get started on this video. So obviously you're gonna need your lashes, you're gonna need your eyelash curler, your favorite mascara, and some tweezers. I have these, and I also have these from Lily Lashes. It's all up to you, whatever you want to use. I used to back then use my fingers, and I still can just use my fingers to apply the lashes, but honestly it makes it a little bit more difficult because what you want to do is you want to get the lash as close as you can to your natural lashes, and with your fingers you can't always achieve that, especially if you have like acrylics, like fake nails or anything like that. It makes it a little bit more difficult, so you want to go ahead, and if you're a beginner and you haven't put on false eyelashes by yourself, you obviously do want to use some tweezers. I totally recommend them because they will make your life easier. Also, you're gonna need some glue. I sent my sister to go buy me some glue, and she already knows the one that I like to use. She did not get me the one I wanted, but this will just have to do. Okay guys, so I'm way too close up. It's actually, oh my god, it looks like I have no eyebrows. Okay, first step is to curl your eyelashes. You want to make sure you have them really curled, so try to curl them as much as you can. My lashes are just a disgrace. They're very straight and they don't really curl, but I try my best to curl them as much as I can because you don't want your natural lashes to be peeking out. You want your dramatic or whatever type of lashes you're wearing to look as realistic as possible, even though mine are too much. People obviously know they're not my lashes, but you don't want to have your natural lashes peeking. You're going to use your favorite mascara to apply a little thin layer of mascara. You don't want to do too much mascara because you don't want your lashes, your natural lashes, to be peeking out. And sometimes when we apply too much mascara, your mascara sometimes tends to like clump up, and you just don't want your natural lashes to peek out so much. You want to just disguise them. I'm using the Total Temptation by Maybelline mascara. You guys can see it. Cute. Okay. So we're just applying a thin layer of mascara. Wait, who has noticed my hair is black? I think this is like the first video I'm filming with my hair black. I'm honestly really happy to have it black again. My hair is way healthier, and I don't know, I just feel like my outfits, or whenever I go out, my outfits, and I just look better with black hair. Like, I feel like my brown hair doesn't always complement what I'm wearing, if that makes any sense. So I'm definitely sticking to black hair. I'm not dyeing my hair anymore. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara on my bottom lashes because I didn't earlier. And the next thing you want to do is you want to pick up your favorite pair of lashes, whether they're new, they're old, they're your usual lashes that you wear, or in this case, new lashes. And make sure if it's your first time wearing lashes and you're barely taking them out of the brand new package, be very careful, girl, because like sometimes I'm too excited about getting the lashes out that I've had a couple times where I ripped the lash and I just cry forever. It's just very disappointing and it's just very sad, and you just don't want that to happen to you. Just from there, go ahead and get your glue, whichever glue you're gonna use. I'm using this glue for today. I'm gonna buy my favorite glue tomorrow because I can't do it. What we're gonna do is you're gonna hold on to your lash, you're gonna get your glue, whichever glue you're gonna use. So you're gonna apply a very thin layer on your lash. Alright, so I want to show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So I'm getting my glue and I'm gonna apply a thin layer. Gotta be really careful, especially with these kind of glues, because they tend to squirt out and you get too much product. So I'm putting a thin layer. Just like that. Applying glue on the other lash also. Really, gotta be careful, guys. Okay, and that's enough glue right there. A lot of girls tend to mess up when they overdo it with the glue, and what happens is that not only is a glue strip going to be extra thick on your eyelid, but it's going to take longer to dry. So you just want a thin layer just like this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to the side for a little bit, let it dry just a little bit. I'm not going to let it dry completely. I'm going to let it get a little tacky so that it's easier to stick on my eyelid. Do not apply it right away when you already applied the glue. That's going to make it 10 times harder for you because the glue is very wet and it's just going to be moving. It's not going to stay put. Even if you're just holding it there, when you're blinking, it's just going to be coming off. It's going to be slipping and sliding, and you don't want that. So very important to apply the glue, let it sit for just a little bit. Don't let it dry completely, because you're going to have a problem where the lash is probably not going to stick all the way. You're going to have some areas where it's just like coming off. So make sure you leave it to sit for a little bit. So we're going to wait till it gets a little tacky before we apply it on our eyelid. I'm going to start picking up my lash, and I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys have a better close-up. Okay, so we're going to try to work quickly. I think the lash is ready to go on our eye. We're going to try to work quickly because, again, it's very important not to let the glue dry all the way, because it's not going to stay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the center and literally just try to apply it as precisely as I can, and then I will go in and start from both corners. I usually start on this side. It's obviously not perfect right now. And I begin to pat it down. I honestly forgot to clip these because they're a little too long for me. So make sure you do that before you apply the lash, because sometimes when you get new lashes, they're probably going to be too long or too big for your eye. They're not going to fit it, so you can always go in and cut them. But this would just have to do for today. It's not that big of a deal because it's not that much that I have to cut. But okay, so what I like to do when I already feel like it's kind of already stuck on my eye, to just make sure that it's all put together, I close my eye and then I just kind of push the eyelash onto my eye. Okay, look at the difference. Lash, dramatic, pretty, boring, basic, no lash. Okay, let's do the other one. Place it right on there. And we're gonna work from corner to corner first. Alright, and again, you just want to close your eye a little bit. Just make sure that they're really stuck on there. And just push the lash towards your eye. And this is really just about playing with the eyelash and just looking at both eyes and comparing if they both look close to the actual lashes. And you can see here that the glue is still a little bit wet, so I have to be very careful with that part. Some glues tend to take longer to actually dry, but that's okay. So as long as you did your part and you put the lash exactly where it needs to be. I love them. So we're almost done. All you're gonna have to do is get your favorite mascara again, and you're gonna apply another thin coat of mascara. This is optional, you don't have to do it. Some people choose not to do it because they don't want to get any mascara on their brand new lashes or whatever lashes they already have. But I don't think it necessarily messes up your lashes because you're literally just putting mascara right underneath. You're not going to put it all the way. A little bit of mascara just to hide my actual lashes onto the false lashes. Alright, so we're all done. Let me zoom out just a little bit. I'm so like in your face right now. I swear if you just want to wear lashes for the rest of your life, you can. There's nothing wrong with it. Some people think it's just too much. I think that you shouldn't care what people say. Like, you should just do whatever you want to do. I love wearing dramatic lashes. If you like to wear bigger lashes than these, then girl, go ahead and fly with your lashes, because you can just do whatever you want. It's really fast. I feel like it's easier when you use your tweezers. It makes it way easier than using your fingers to apply the lashes. But it's just quick steps. Work from both corners and then center it and just push it down onto your eye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really easy, so just keep practicing at home. I promise you will get it. Do not leave without liking this video. Give me a like, give me a comment down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That would mean the world to us. Tell your friends to subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe, tell all your family members to subscribe to our channel. Just love doing this for you guys, and we hope you guys love watching us film and do all these videos, challenges, makeup tutorials, vlogs for you all. So again, please don't leave without subscribing, liking this video, and if you can, even share it for those people that want to know how to apply lashes. I was really happy to be able to film this video. Honestly, highly requested. A lot of you girls wanted to know how I apply false lashes, because a lot of girls just find it really tricky, and at first I promise it is kind of tricky, but you get the hang of it, and I promise you're going to be a pro at it once you get it. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy your day or your morning or your afternoon, whatever time you're going to be watching this video, and I will see you back in our next video. Bye.